In this video, I'll show you how to play the G major scale. First, we'll use only one finger, then you can practice with a metronome at a tempo of 50. I'm not playing this key as you can see. Now let's play using all our fingers and then we'll add a metronome. Watch my finger movements carefully. I'm positioning my fingers to make the playing order easy to understand. Right now, just observe the finger sequence. Nothing else matters. One more time. Using the metronome, try this exercise. Lift one finger each time the metronome clicks. You can find variations of this exercise at different tempos on my channel.